Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. In this video, we discuss writing essay. And since this class require you to write 3 essays, which are a comparison and contrast, cause effect, and also argumentative essay. So we need to discuss. We need to be familiar with essay, right? So mastering essay structure. Then the points of our discussion here are this one. The first one is the importance of essay structure and the elaboration of key components of essay, which will help you in composing the essay itself, and then the tips for effective structuring. And for the importance of essay structure, writing an essay, of course, is not easy. Because again, I've told you many times that in a written form, we cannot clarify or we cannot revise the information to the readers. Because when the readers enjoy our text, we are away from them. It's not it's not like a conversation. In which the speaker and the listener are face to face. And by having structured essay, it will improve the clarity of the essay itself, so that the readers can understand the points that you share. And the second one, it will make the essay more organized, or your essay will not scattered. It's in a good order, starting from the introduction and then the content and also the conclusion. It's all there. And it helps the readers to get the message that you try to convey through the essay. Last but not least, structured essay will create good impression. It will give a positive impact to your writing. If the readers understand well the message that you delivered, and then they will be impressed. They will remember what you tell there. And it's good, right? Moving to components of essay structure. Here is the burger. The structure of essay is like a hamburger. Which consists of the bottom bun and then the filling, and also the top bun. Top bun is the introduction. In essay, it's introduction, and then the lettuce is the first point of paragraph, and the tomato is the second point of paragraph, and the ham itself is the third point paragraph, and the bottom bun is the conclusion. So it's layers. I mean, the layer of essay is similar to the layer of hamburger. We can see here that this hamburger what signify what the content of the essay consisting of 5 paragraphs. Let's discuss one by one the components of the essay structure. The first one is introduction. The second one is body paragraphs, and the last one is conclusion. We have a top bun here as introduction, and the purpose of the introduction is to set the stage for the essay and grabs the reader's attention. It's to introduce the topic to the readers. So introduction is quite imperative since what the attention to the reader is defined from this point. And the components of introduction are hook, background information, and the thesis statement. Hook can be presented through a quotation or definition of a term that is related to your topic, or some anecdote. The last one is illustration of an effective introduction with attention-grabbing hook and clear thesis statement. I think that is what Introduction is not introduction without clear thesis statement. So thesis statement plays a significant role here. And what is thesis statement? It is a sentence in the introduction that tells the reader what the topic or argument of the essay is. This is the main idea of the essay. You can understand what the essay talks about from thesis statement. It's a kind of a window to look up the body paragraphs tell about. And it's usually placed in the first paragraph because it's introduction, and many times at the last sentence. The essay body should contain what is mentioned in the thesis statement. So yeah, this is very important. And what some examples of this statement and the example of the recommended and the not recommended thesis statements will be discussed in different video. We're now focusing on the structure of the paragraph, right? And body paragraphs. And the purpose of it is to develop the main ideas or arguments of the essay. So the points of the body paragraphs have been spelled in the thesis statement. In here, in this part, the points are elaborated more. It's kind of lettuce, tomatoes, and cheese and ham. Body paragraph consists of topic sentence, supporting evidence, analysis, and transition. The number of paragraphs that you will write depends on the points addressed in the thesis. If the thesis mention 3 points, like for example, in comparison and contrast, you spell 3 differences of 2 objects. So of course, you have 3 body paragraphs in your essay. The first one is discussing the first difference, and the second one is second difference, and the third one is the third difference. In body paragraphs, each paragraph also has main idea, named a topic sentence. It is usually placed in a first sentence of the paragraph. After writing the topic sentence, and you have what responsibility to explain it by giving supporting details. The supporting details should be what relevant to the point that you address in a topic sentence. And the details are called supporting sentences. So body paragraphs consist of 2 points. The first one is topic sentence, and the last one is the rest is the supporting sentences. And conclusion, that's the last part of essay. Bottom band here, it's the opposite of introduction. If introduction is started with what? With the hook and ended with thesis statement. In conclusion, you need to write the thesis statement first. But it's not only the copy of the statement, but you need to paraphrase it. Say the thesis using your language. The conclusion itself shows the reader why talking about the topic is important. After paraphrasing the thesis statement and write in your concluding paragraph, you add that with the reason why that's important. And what? So in conclusion, concluding paragraph consists of a summary and a final comment or author's opinion or feeling of the matters discussed. Next, tips for effective essay structure. There are 3 you need to do. The first one, before writing, you need to plan. You need to brainstorm what you are going to write in the essay. You need to write the points, and sometimes graphic organizer is a good tool to help you brainstorm the idea. After completing the components of essay, you need to read that. You need and then find some parts that that need to be improved. Yeah, revise those parts and edit here and there to make the essay more organized and well read by your readers. you need other people to evaluate or to proofread your essay. So seek feedback. Ask them to read and ask them for the feedback to get your points for improvement. And I think that's all the introduction of essay. Hopefully that the discussion or this video helps you write your essay and do your 3 projects of writing in this semester. And bye, see you in the next video. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.